All right, boys, S1KDK back. It's a new day, beautiful day outside. Me and Alex were working on this all day yesterday before work, and we ended up getting, I left you guys off with the top end of the engine still off. As you guys can see, it is on now. We got it all timed. We have it all good to go down there. The valve clearances are good. Everything's good. So now we're in the middle of trying to figure out, it's kind of a game of like guess. And you just guess where everything goes back. But yeah, we're just gonna keep plugging away, trying to find different connectors. I mean, this thing's gonna be a Frankenstein on the first startup. Like, we're not gonna put any of the fairings on. We're just gonna throw on the gas tank and call her a day and just try to fire her up. As you guys can see, 10,882 miles on the dash on this motorcycle. It does not have a gas sensor right now because it's not plugged in, and the fuel injector didn't prime because that's not plugged in. But let's hope, let's see. We're going deep. I think that maybe we're gonna try the first startup today before I leave for work. I mean, we're basically right there, so I'll make sure to do that for you guys. Right now, we already got the exhaust on, but I'm just gonna straight dump it. I mean, if I try to fire, I'm just gonna straight dump it out of here. I'm not gonna try to put on this. That's until after I know that it runs good, not that we have to pull it all apart again. And you know what I mean? Just, it's kind of like building a PC. I don't know about you guys, but I've built many PCs in my life, and you never do the first start with the covers on. You always have it off, otherwise it's bad luck. I mean, that's how it is in the PC world. Kilo's being a menace outside. All right, boys, we got it all connected. It's all good. The gas tank is in a really funky spot right now just because we're gonna mess with the wiring and stuff. If it starts, not that we're gonna all snug it all nice together and stuff. I'm not gonna go for a ride. It has no coolant in it, so we're only gonna start it for a little bit to see if it even starts. Fuel injector turns on. Oh God. It's giving me an oil light, and it sounds like it's not getting gas. It sounded like it had a bad battery, so we put in the S1000 battery. This is brand new, freshly charged. You can see the state of the battery. It's little blue lights. You can see it barely turn on. But fingers crossed, boys. Cross your toes, cross your fingers. No gas.
Motor sounds good.
The motor does sound very good. Yep. Yeah, there's something going on with the no gas. So we're gonna start tearing stuff apart, checking stuff, checking hoses, making sure that they're not pinched or anything like that. We're gonna get it, and we're gonna get it today. I'm very hyped. We're gonna keep you guys updated.
Kilo.
Okay, boys. I hope this does the trick. We're literally doing like one thing and then testing it out, just trying to make it. So we realized that at the bottom of the fuel tank that it was like pinched. It just didn't like to be that way. We kind of also realized it because this tank just would not come down all the way at all. So let's give it a try. I have the kickstand up. I'm going through all the just basic measures, even though that the CBRs do not want the clutch to be pulled in to do a start. I'm still gonna do it anyways. Okay, well, we have an F1 light now. Let's go!
No coolant.
Let's go, baby! Yes! We fucking did it, Alex, to me and you, buddy.
Fucking got her.
Oh my God, dude. Oh my God, dude. There's no fucking way we did that, dude. We took the whole fucking engine apart. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh, dude. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Ooh, all the doubters. All the doubters. We got it to start, bitch.
She's alive.
How many hours do you think we put into this?
At least 12.
I'm thinking at least 20, dude. Are you saying 12? I think that we spend 4 hours a day minimum, almost. It seems like almost every day.
Yeah, I guess, yeah.
For a while.
We've been
And then doing the head at your house, that took 8 hours in itself.
Right.
Guys, we fucking did it. We bought this bike for $1,600. We put $200 and some change into it, and we got it to start. That is amazing. This is easily a $5,000 to $6,000 bike when everything's all tucked away, squared away, all the fairings are on it, it's looking all pretty. Easily a $5,000 to $6,000 bike. That was like the biggest jolt rush I've ever had, man. Let's go. Let's go. All right, boys, this is the second part of what you saw before, me starting the bike for the first time, thank God. What I did was I rerouted a bunch of wires, making sure that the throttle cables were routed right here. Before I had it routed in a weird way that I thought was better, but I ended up finding it on the service manual on where you need to route stuff. By the way, guys, the service manual is your best friend on this bike. It's so old, this bike is so old that you don't have to pay $500 for one. You can find one for free online wherever you really want. Today, we're going to torque down the main bolts like the axle, the brakes. We're going to bleed the brakes. Alex is coming in a little bit just to put on the fairings and kind of celebrate that we got this bike started. Making sure that everything's good. I'm gonna put up a time lapse again for the first time in a while because it's gonna be the last part of the series. I mean, maybe one or two more, but it's not gonna be part of this series. Boys, gonna end the video here. I cleaned out the garage, put all the fairings on it, did a few things odd and ends. It is doing good though. I'm doing another heat cycle for the motorcycle just because they're supposed to. It doesn't have a lot of backflow, that's for sure, or back pressure, since it's so straight piped. Looking good. The S1000 looking all pretty. Code S1KDK, all caps, no spaces, on MotorcyclePitMat.com if you want one custom made for your bike. They do a bunch of different ones. Go look them up. Link is in the description below for that pit mat. It's actually really cool and it's pretty cheap. So it's like $100, maybe $80 or something like that. And you can put your name on it just like mine. But yeah, guys, this is gonna do it for the whole series of the CBR 600RR 2004, 10,882 miles. Beautiful, beautiful bike. It sounds like it's running healthy. I can't complain. I can't complain. Bye.